Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to create numbered lists in WhatsApp. Whether you're organizing tasks, sharing instructions, or just keeping things neat, this method is easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once it's up and running, select the chat where you want to send your numbered list. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat, whatever works for you. Now, here's the key step. To create a numbered list, start by typing a number followed by a period and a space. For example, type 1 period and then hit the space bar. After that, write the first item on your list. Once you've finished typing the first item, press the Enter or Return key on your keyboard. When you press Enter, WhatsApp doesn't automatically continue the numbering for you, but don't worry, it's just as easy to do manually. Simply type 2 period followed by a space and add your next item. Repeat this process for each item you want to include in your list. Here's an example of how it might look. 1. Buy groceries. 2. Pick up dry cleaning. 3. Call mom. Once your list is complete, just hit Send. Your neatly formatted numbered list will appear in the chat exactly as you typed it. This method works across all platforms where WhatsApp is available, whether you're using it on Android, iOS, or even the web version. And that's it. You've now mastered the art of creating numbered lists in WhatsApp. It's a handy trick that keeps your messages organized and easy to read. Give it a try in your next conversation.